Hello LawLearner, welcome to our channel. So today our topic is IPC versus BNS. So before starting our topic, definitely look at our channel and do subscribe and tap the bell icon. So for upcoming videos, get updated. So before in videos, we have learned about Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita is replaced IPC. So today we'll learn what is the difference between IPC and BNS comparison and key references. So first of all, section 377 remove the old law that criminalize certain sexual acts is no longer an offense. And second number is organized crime. There is now a specific offense for organized crime. Third, mob lynching, a new offense that can be punishable with death penalty. Fourth, terrorist act. Acts of terrorism are now explicitly included as offense. Terrorism related act, new provision covered being a part of a terrorist organization, harboring terrorists, training for terrorism and handling money from the terrorist acts. Sixth number is community service. For minor offense like petty theft, community service can be a punishment instead of a jail time. 7 number hit and run punishment, increased punishment for causing death in hit and run cases from a maximum of 2 years to 5 years. 8 number treason instead of sedition. The offense of sedition is being replaced with treason, targeting acts that endanger national integrity. 9 number theft includes digital items. The definition of theft now includes data theft and identity theft. 10th, medical negligence. Specific provisions have been added to address medical negligence. 11 number economic offenses. The term economic offense is now specifically defined. 12. Clause 69. It criminalizes sexual intercourse under deceitful means, could face imprisonment of up to 10 years, accompanied by fines. Clause 103 categorizes murder on ground of race, caste or community as a distinct offense. So now we'll see the difference of BNS and IPC. Revision in definition. BNS. The BNS may introduce revised definition for various crimes, updating terminology and legal concepts to reflect contemporary understanding and societal change. IPC definitions might be retained or modified based on the provision of the BNS. Classification of offences. The BNS may reclassify certain offences, grouping them differently or introducing new categories to address emerging criminal activities, whereas IPC classifications might remain unchanged and undergo adjustments to align with the structure of the BNS. Punishment framework. BNS may revise the punishment framework, altering sentencing, guidelines and penalties for specific offences to reflect societal norms and address inadequacies in the previous system, whereas IPC penalties might be revised or retained depending on the provision of the BNS and the perceived need for change in punishment severity. Introduction of new provisions. BNS might introduce new provisions to address emerging crimes, technological advancement, or societal concerns not adequately covered under the IPC. IPC may lack provisions present in the BNS or may have outdated clauses that are addressed to new provision introduced in the BNS. Incorporation of modern legal principles. The BNS incorporated modern legal principles such as restorative justice, victim-centric approaches and international legal standards, reflecting advancement in legal theory and practice. IPC might lack such modern principles or may incorporate them to a lesser extent compared to the BNS. Focus on victim rights. BNS might prioritize the protection of victim rights, offering enhanced provisions for victim support, compensation and participation in the legal process, whereas IPC provision related to victim rights may be less comprehensive or may lack specific provision present in the BNS. Streamlining legal procedures. BNS may streamline legal procedures, introducing reforms to expedite trials, reduce cases backlog, and enhance efficiency in the criminal justice system, whereas IPC procedures might be retained or modified to align with the streamlined process introduced under the BNS. Harmonization with international standards. BNS might aim to harmonize Indian criminal law with international standards and conventions, incorporating provisions to address transnational crimes, human rights violations, and global legal trends. IPC may lack certain provision aligned with international standards present in the BNS, reflecting a divergence in legal frameworks over time. Consideration of societal change. BNS may consider societal change such as shift in attitudes towards certain behaviors, technological advancement, and evolving norms to ensure that the legal framework remains relevant and effective. IPC provisions may be outdated or inadequate in addressing contemporary societal changes, necessitating revisions under the BNS. Impact on legal practice. BNS implementation may require legal practitioners to adopt to new provisions, procedures, and legal principles, potentially impacting cases preparation, litigation strategies, and legal advocacy. IPC practitioners may need to undergo training or reorientation to navigate the changes introduced by the BNS and ensure compliance with the updated legal framework. The IPC provides protection from prosecution to a person of unsound mind. The BNS changes this to a person with mental illness. The definition of mental illness excludes mental retardation and includes abuse of alcohol and drugs. Conclusion. BNS provides clarity and stricter penalties for offences, potentially enhancing public safety and addressing hate crimes more effectively. So that's all for today. So our next topic will be Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023 Chapter 1 Preliminary Section 1 to 3 in the upcoming video. So if you like the video, please do like, comments and share, and definitely subscribe this channel, and please don't forget to tap the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you. Stay connected and stay tuned. Thanks.